song's pretty powerful. It's called Take the Reins. These wagon wheels, hooves and spindles, they've been wearing for some times, and the raceway's been greased so many times. Take the reins and give your horse a drink. There's a spot I know right down this pathway. Take the reins and I'll show you where to go, but I won't have to, because this horse already knows. Take the reins and I snap them once or twice for an even keeled, smooth flowing ride on pathways I've known my entire life. Take the reins and give your horse a drink. There's a spot I know right down this pathway. Take the reins and I'll show you where to go, but I won't have to, because this horse already knows. Coriolis, because of fallen trees, these two muddy strips and all this grass in between, they've worked this wagon to its bones. Take the reins, I think we've found our home. Take the reins and give your horse a drink. There's a spot I know right down this pathway. Take the reins and I'll show you where to go, but I won't have to, 'cause this horse already knows. This horse already knows. Thank you.
Yo, the way you went, that shit was hot. This horse alright. Okay. Damn, that shit was hot. Yo, I'm in the blue.